Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn on the battery saver feature on your iPhone. Now, this is something you want to do if you want to save your battery from dying quickly. It will reduce some functionality, but it's a good way to save battery from draining out quickly. We're going to show you two different ways. So the first and the easiest way to do it is go into your setting of your iPhone and then go into battery and then click and turn on low power mode. This mode is also known as the battery saver feature on other phones besides iPhone. So you turn that on and you'll notice the color changes on this battery. That means we have battery saver mode turned on. If I turn it off, as you can see, it's just black. If I turn it on, it's almost a yellow color to it. So that's one way to do it. Another way you can do it without coming into a setting every time to turn it on and off is if in your settings, if you go to control here, you can add this feature low power mode by clicking on this green plus sign, and it's going to show up here. And what I can do is pull down from the top here the control menu, and then I can turn it on and off directly from this menu as a much quicker option, and it shows me that I'm on. If you have a iPhone with the home button, you just pull it upward to activate or get to that menu, and you can see here simple and easy just to turn it on and off the battery saver mode on your iPhone. And that's it, and I hope this video is informational and helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.